Hi everyone, my name is Pranav and today I'm talking about the Zebronics Jet Pro gaming headphones, the perfect choice for gamers who want to enhance their gaming experience. These headphones comes with a 40mm Neodymium drivers which delivers powerful bass and clear vocals, allowing you to hear even minor details like the footstep and gunshots easily. The headphones comes with a 2-meter braided cable and plug-and-play usage, giving you an uninterrupted gaming experience. The LED light on both the headband and the ear cups reflect a range of color combinations, making your gaming rig look even more lit. The headphone also features an inline controller pod to control the volume level and the mic on or off button, and a flexible mic for adjusting the mic position. The lightweight design and the suspension headband provides maximum comfort even during long gaming sessions. With its 40mm drivers, braided cable, LED lights, inline controller, flexible mic, and lightweight design, it's the perfect choice for gamers who want to take their gaming experience to the next level. So if you're looking for a gaming headphone that offers high quality audio, powerful bass, and crystal clear highs, then the Zeb Jet Pro gaming headphones are the perfect choice. Get yours now.
Hi there guys, this is me Korak Roy and this one is for all the fellow music lovers. When it comes to choosing the right kind of headphones or earphones, there are a few very important factors to consider. Let's take a look at some of them. Type. There are three main types of headphones to choose from: over-ear, on-ear and in-ear. Over-ear headphones provide the best sound isolation and noise isolation but can be bulky and uncomfortable for long periods. On-ear headphones are more compact and comfortable but may not offer the same level of noise isolation. In-ear headphones or earbuds are the most portable and convenient but may sacrifice some sound quality. Sound quality. Look for headphones with high quality drivers and a frequency response range that matches your listening preference. A wider frequency range can provide more detailed and accurate sound. Noise cancellation. Noise cancelling headphones use advanced technology to block out external noise and provide a more immersive listening experience. Look for headphones with adjustable levels of noise cancellation to suit your environment. Comfort. Comfort is key, guys, when it comes to headphones, especially if you plan on using them for extended periods. Look for headphones with soft ear cushions and an adjustable headband for a comfortable fit. Connectivity. Consider how you plan to connect your headphones, wired or wireless. Wireless headphones offer more freedom of movement but may sacrifice some sound quality. Wire headphones offer a more reliable connection and better sound quality but can be less convenient. Microphone. If you plan on using your headphones for phone calls or video chats, look for headphones with a built-in microphone or detachable microphone for clear communication. Guys, overall, the best headphones, earphones or earbuds for you will depend on your personal preference and needs. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy shopping and of course, happy music listening.